In real estate litigation cases, we represent landowners, developers, business people, and contracting parties. Our goal at Phillips & Angley is to guide our clients through disputes regarding the ownership and use of land. Real estate can be complicated and formalistic, and clients need lawyers who have experience in real estate litigation.
Phillips & Angley's decades of experience and deep knowledge in the area help to promote the best possible outcomes.
At Phillips & Angley, our top priority for our clients is to win. We want good outcomes, and we work very hard to be thorough, creative, and think critically. At Phillips & Angley, we are called upon to analyze and interpret local zoning bylaws on a regular basis.
We handle a wide range of zoning cases, from a homeowner who wants to build an addition to a developer whose subdivision or special permit for commercial use has been appealed.
Many of the lawyers at Phillips & Angley have extensive background in zoning appeals. Personally, I represented landowners and developers for more than 30 years. At Phillips & Angley, our goal is to provide prompt and efficient legal representation for landowners and real estate developers. A comprehensive analysis of our clients' cases allows us to frame those cases properly at the beginning and avoid unforced errors at the end. We know that time is of the essence, and our job is to clear away impediments to development.
For the past 25 years, the Brady Law Group has exclusively represented individuals and families in catastrophic injury and death cases of all kinds throughout the state of California. Because of the quality of our work, most of it comes from other lawyers who are well aware of our reputation, including defense lawyers and oftentimes judges who I have the pleasure of trying cases in front of. Most of our clients come here with a great deal of fear and trepidation, but not only about their claims, but about how their lives have been affected and how they'll make ends meet in the future. We'll take the time to address all of your concerns. I'm passionate about the work that I do. I feel blessed to have a job where I get to help people and really use the skills that I've developed in 30 years to help them fight the big insurance companies and get fair compensation for their injuries and the changes to their lives that they wanted no part of. Words can't describe the pleasure that I feel in helping individuals and families get their lives back, get fair compensation, and prevent the same type of an injury from happening to someone else in the future.
At Teldell, we see all types of brain injuries: severe brain injuries, moderate brain injuries, mild traumatic brain injuries, concussion injuries, intracranial hemorrhage, skull fractures, and the advice is pretty much always the same. They need a good doctor, somebody who understands their injury, knows how to treat it, and they need a lawyer who knows how to deal with a brain injury claim. The fact is that when you're assessing a claim, it's all about how did this injury affect this person. It's not how would it affect other people, it's how did it affect this person. Did it impair his ability to do his job? Did it impair his ability to look after himself? Does it impair ability to do the work in his house and that sort of thing? All those things are independent things that you need to assess. Does it impair his ability to taste and smell and all those things? You need to understand all those, and you need to measure them and deal with them.
At Rubin, Glickman, Steinberg & Gifford, we provide comprehensive business services to our clients. That would include everything from formation of the business, the choice of the business entity, whether it be a corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship. We provide ongoing legal counsel to our business clients. We help them handle and resolve matters that come up in the day-to-day operation of the business. We bring more than 50 years worth of business experience to the table and pride ourselves on providing our clients with personalized business advice.
At Birch, Colston & Shepherd, we practice exclusively in family law. Support, custody, domestic violence, property division. All of our attorneys are focused exclusively on family law issues. We have 3 attorneys that are certified by the state bar as certified family law specialists. So Robert Birch and Courtney Shepard are certified family law specialists. We have a 3rd attorney that's a certified family law specialist, and a 4th attorney that just passed the test to be a certified family law specialist.
Someone should hire the law firm of Birch, Colston, and Shepard because we are dedicated to our clients, we're knowledgeable about the law, and we get results, and clients are focused on results. We also take pride in our reputation and the work product that we put out because we believe that's very important, the quality of work that our law firm produces.
My name is Barry Harris-Hinden. I'm a workers' compensation attorney. Our office has been practicing workers' compensation representing injured workers for 40 years. I am the senior partner and the founder of this firm. This firm is dedicated to help and restore the benefits of injured workers. We're very passionate about it. We take our cases to trial if they need to go to trial. We're not afraid to settle the case if it's the type of case that should be settled. We will listen to what the client needs. If your spouse was injured and is no longer taking a paycheck home, we're there to help you get benefits. We're also here to help provide those things that your family may be deprived of. For instance, Christmas. We want to make sure that every child, every injured worker's child, receives Christmas.
After an accident, you can expect the insurance companies to begin calling you almost immediately. They will call you usually within the first 24 hours to try to get your statement and ask you how you're feeling. The catch to that, of course, is that most symptoms don't emerge until 72 hours after an accident. Do not give them a recorded statement. They are looking for you to say things like, "I was not hurt," or "I feel okay." Instead, wait and see how you really feel. Wait and see how your body responds to being in an accident. Also, be sure to talk to an attorney during that period of time so you can have the proper guidance on the treatment that you need and how to properly address your claims.
People in a car accident are concerned about 3 major issues. One, their car. How are they going to get back and forth to work? How are they going to get their children to school? They need to get their car fixed, or they need to get a rental car right away. Additionally, they're concerned about their injuries. Obviously, they want to make sure they get to the proper doctor to take care of their injuries because they want to recover as quickly as possible. Fortunately, we have 144 years of combined experience dealing with doctors, specialists, investigators, and we use that experience to get the very best people to investigate a case and make sure we get the clients the best results possible.
At Teldell, we handle all types of car accidents. Car accidents caused by distracted driving, texting, drunk driving, speeding, negligence, whatever it is, we've handled it. The problem is that ICBC doesn't like to pay for the treatment that you require. And so when you go to your doctor and you get a referral for physiotherapy, they'll say, okay, we'll pay for the physiotherapy treatment, but we'll only pay for 10 or 12 treatments. And then the person hasn't recovered yet, and so they get another referral for physiotherapy, and ICBC says, no, I'm sorry, we won't pay for it. We make sure that you get the coverage that you're entitled to, and until you're better. And so it's not really ICBC's decision to say, oh, you don't need any more physiotherapy or any more treatment. It's your doctor's decision. So we can make sure that you get the treatment you need, and that's what we do.